This video has made approximately $23,000 in the last 7 days by promoting this product on TikTok. It's really ridiculous. It looks like everyone is making hundreds of thousands of dollars on TikTok these days, and the type of video you saw is becoming viral and bringing in thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. I'll teach you today how to create videos that resemble this even if you're not very skilled at editing. But don't worry, I'll show you how to start this business from anywhere in the world. But let me first blow your mind. Palladata, internet resource that offers data on popular products and earnings. On this account, affiliate commissions totaling $354,000 have been earned. Third has earned $345,000, $270,000, and finally $296,000. Furthermore, the numbers just include the past 7 days. I promise you, this is not a joke. People are very profitable here. This account in particular truly amazed me. As you can see, it's a relatively new account with only 6,000 followers, which doesn't seem like much at first. It's incredible that in just the last 30 days, this account has generated almost $60,000 by marketing this coconut pulling oil for teeth health. They did all that without ever having held the thing in their hands. They exclusively employ the most well-liked AI voice and AI-generated images in their videos. The first thing you would notice is that your breath smells nicer if you started oil pulling every day. As we can see, $41,000 was made from an AI video, and $117,000 was made from another. Here's how you use AI to produce these kinds of viral films. The first step is choosing the product, which is the simplest because there are thousands of possibilities available. The second step is to write a screenplay for a viral video, and I'll walk you through using ChatGPT to write scripts that get views. The third step will involve using programs like ChatGPT and Midjourney to transform the content we wrote into eye-catching images. Step 4 will involve using InVideo AI to bring everything together and produce impactful videos in a matter of minutes. Let's say you've done the research and decided to promote this Burunanda coconut pulling oil, which has generated $1.8 million in the last 30 days. Not too bad, right? After that, you need to find a competitor video promoting your product that performs well. In my case, it's this one with 3.5 million views. Next, you need to transcribe the video script. You can either manually write down the script as you watch the video, or if you're using the same tool I'm using, you can simply click here to export and copy the script. Our goal now is to use this script as a template to write our own because, think about it, why reinvent the wheel if something is already working? To do that, we will open ChatGPT and use this prompt. I'm creating a 30-second TikTok video promoting your product. I want you to rewrite the following script using exactly the same structure, writing style, tone, and length. Here, you need to insert the original script from the competitor's video. By using this prompt, ChatGPT will generate a script similar to the one that went viral. For example, the original script starts with, "This is what would happen if you started oil pulling every day." And the one we generated begins with, "Ever wondered what happens when you make oil pulling a daily habit so it follows the same style but isn't a duplicate?" At this stage, your script should be ready, and it's time to create the visuals. I typically break down the script manually into lines, with each line becoming a scene that needs matching visuals. Stay tuned because I'll show you how to automate this in just one click. For instance, if the first line mentions oil pulling, a strong visual could be a close-up of white teeth with oil dripping. The second scene might talk about fresher breath, suggesting visuals like mint leaves or greenery. When the product name comes up, include a clip of it. I'll guide you on finding these visuals shortly. The process involves identifying key phrases and brainstorming visuals. But to save time, you can use the prompt shown on screen, which outlines your video structure and suggested visuals, saving you hours. I spent some time on Midjourney and ChatGPT generating all the AI images needed for the video. Here on the screen are some of the prompts I used in case you want to create something similar. At this point, you should have a winning product, a powerful script, and stunning visuals. This means it's time to put everything together and create a masterpiece using InVideo AI, which is a tool that turns any line of text into custom videos. Create a 30-second TikTok video about teeth care and add subtitles where the current spoken word is in yellow. The tool then generates the script, voiceover, and edits all the clips for you. Imagine waking up to a fresher breath every day. That's the power of flossing. Regular flossing can turn bad breath into a morning delight. Say goodbye to yellow stains and hello to a confident smile. Now, in this box, you can enter a prompt and generate a video with just one click. But in today's video, we will use the workflows right here. As you can see, you can generate all types of videos: YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and so on. In order to generate this style of video, we will use the script-to-video workflow. However, if you want an in-depth tutorial where I explain everything about InVideo, We all know that InVideo AI is smart enough to automatically generate your video script. However, using the script-to-video workflow, you can create a video using exactly your script. I'll open the workflow and start by selecting the type of video from this menu. For our example, we're creating a TikTok video. Next, I'll paste the script we generated previously in this field, just as shown. In this section, you can select the background music for your video. For example, it could be inspiring or motivational. Moving to the settings, you can choose the voiceover. InVideo AI offers a variety of voices to pick from. However, to add a personal touch and stand out, I'll use my own voice. Yes, you can actually clone your own voice and use it in your videos. Open the menu on the left-hand side and select Voices under Plugins, then click on Add Voice. Here, you must upload a voice sample and mention that you give InVideo AI permission to use your voice, otherwise, it won't be accepted. After uploading your recording, accept the terms and click on My Sample Looks Good. InVideo AI will then verify everything and add your voice to the library. Now, under Settings, there is an option called My Voice, so I can select that and choose the voice I added. Just as you can see, when you are finished, click Continue and then generate a video. Now let's talk about editing and final touches. After using InVideo AI to create your video, you might want to tweak a few things to align it with your vision. As you review the video, note any scenes that need changes, may be a timing issue or adding a visual element. InVideo AI's editor makes it easy to make these adjustments. For example, if a scene runs too long, trim it down. You can also add text overlays or adjust background music volume to balance with the voiceover. These small changes can greatly improve your video's quality. Once you're happy with the edits, export the video. For TikTok, I recommend exporting in 1080p for the best quality. Submit your video to TikTok, add a catchy caption, and use relevant hashtags to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging shares. Consistency is keep creating and experimenting to see what works best. With AI, making viral TikTok videos is achievable and can boost sales without needing expensive tools or advanced skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if this lesson helped you. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'm happy to assist.